Hi, I'm Ravina. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I'm going to share another Manglorean traditional fish curry recipe using roasted onions. For this preparation, I'm using the catfish. In Konkani, we call it Thigur, and Tulu, we call it Modanji. It's something you'll find only on Sundays at the Mangalore Fish Market at State Bank. Here you can see the fish long and sleek. You need an expert to catch and cut this fish. So when I spotted it today, I thought I will prepare it just the way my grandma used to make it. As I said earlier, I'm using roasted onions for the masala for that deep smoky flavor. I still remember my grandma roasting them over traditional wood stove. I always added one extra because I would like to have it just like that, so kept one aside. That was my favorite. After roasting the onions, dip it in cold water. The skin peels off easily. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. So here I just finished peeling the onions. Now I will cut them into small pieces. Onions give an amazing twist to any dish, whether it is a chicken curry or a pork curry. It was very common in my grandma's kitchen. Now let's grind the masala for the curry. Here I am using 1.5 cups of coconut or half of one big coconut. Next I will add a pinch of cumin or jeera, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 10 peppercorns, half lemon size of tamarind. I have soaked it in water to make it soft, 2 garlic cloves and 10 red chilies. So grind the masala to a smooth paste. Don't forget to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. For this fish, you can also try the Ambutik fish curry masala, and also you can try making a buffat just like how you make the pork buffat. So these are the other two variations of preparing this fish. Let's begin the curry preparation by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a vessel. Once it's hot, add 1 big onion and continue frying. When the onion turns nice and brown, it's time to add the ground masala along with the masala water that we got after cleaning the mixie. Prepare the curry to a medium thick consistency, not too watery, and let it come to a gentle boil. At this stage, just check for the taste, so you can add more salt or tamarind in case you need. Instead of tamarind, you can also use vinegar. But remember, here we are not making the curry very tangy with this type of particular masala. In case you are planning to make a Ambutik curry, then you can add more tamarind here. As soon as you see the bubbles, carefully add the fish. Now don't stir, gently swirl the pot. Let it cook for 3 minutes and then switch off the flame. Once the curry is ready, cover the vessel with a lid and let it sit aside for 20 minutes or 30 minutes to absorb all the flavors. Thank you so much friends for joining me in kitchen today. Please do follow all the tips I have shared during the video. Thank you and happy cooking.